The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Cattle, Western Gallatin, Southwestern Dearborn, Ohio, Southern Ripley, Switzerland, until 4 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., storm spotters reported a large tornado on the ground near Knapp. Radar indicated that the tornado-producing storm was located near Knapp, Indiana, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Pepe, Dillsboro, Warsaw. This is an extremely dangerous situation. A tornado is on the ground. In addition, Locust, Prestonville, Braytown, Moorfield, Cross Plains, Avonburg, Kent and Mount Sterling are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.